The radiator will slide out past this. You need to take down the fan assembly. There's 3 bolts and two clips. Here, there, there, and there. And you take down, pull this back, and there's a bolt here. Well, unclip this part. It needs to be removed. Also, this part inside the glove box, there's a bolt right at the back here. Holds the sat nav on this car. So the sat nav has to come out. There's little clips there to push back. You get a special tool to go in there. So hook it in like this. And you can pull it out. There's a trim here, which I had to remove. This just pulls up and off. It's a little bit tricky getting it around this pipe. The pipes can have a little bit of go on them to pull them back. There's also this rubber pipe that fits in there and it goes up into the glove box. Remove that. This plate has 1, 2, 3 bolts and it has to be fitted before the radiator goes on. It's the clamp for the bottom holes there. And there's a clip. I bent this part back. There's the pin there to hold it on. Once you bend it back, you can remove it. Put a picture there. This just pops down. This is power for something. You just pull that out and then the whole thing comes out. It sits in behind it. I also removed this bolt here to get a little bit of go. This one and this one. And also this fits in behind the bracket there, and there's one bolt here. And I'll go up kind of behind it like that. Should just have enough. Looks like a lot of work, but it's not too bad. clip here. And then you can see the 1, 2, 3 bolts in. This goes here onto this. It's very hard to see. Onto these 2 lugs, just pulls up and down. That's it clipped in. Notice the, very hard to see, but the clips come around onto the dowels. This is a, make sure it's well pushed home. Make sure the tab is pushed back. So, focus. Make sure this clamp is pushed down. I bent it a little bit back just to get it off. Focus, you bastard. Just torn the clip so gravity won't take it off. This part pulls out. Push the button in. Okay, so clips in. So these 2 clips, and has this. Oh, there's this guide here, and then you're gonna put the screws back in. One screw there. One screw there. And this one at the back. It's very tight, so I use this stubby Torx 20 just to get that one out. It's not too bad. And refitting off this. Fits into this. squeeze it around. So just clips together here, and then has this one bolt. Again, it's 20 Torx. Where the focus? We need to pull this part back to squeeze it in. This flexible rubber hose comes on. She goes onto the side of the glove box here. Goes in through this. Locator there for it. Oh, one screw there. In here. And down there, 20 Torxes. I'm going to refit the glove box now. Just the wiring for the sat nav. So we just reattach the aircon pipe, and then these clips just push on to the two locators on the wiring loom. So here and here, and the wiring pokes through. Some models may not have this. This little tab here. It's okay. Now in there. Up here. The damper for the light switch. We fit in, that's the wiring now for it there. It's very hard to say, it's like a slot. Let's push it through. See this kind of slot here. And then push it hard down. So I had to remove that trim piece there. So it's here. And there's only one fixing screw is here. And to remove that, it's quite easy. Also clips in here. So the one screw here. Just make sure it's clipped on there. And then underneath there is one there and one here and then one here and one here. One here. And this little secret screw at the back here. You just can't see it there. Let's redo all the clamps. And then just push it back home. If you need to disconnect this, kind of pull that up and pull it out. Oh shit, we forgot. Forgot to put the lamp back in. So the iron loom comes in there, comes into this. I forgot to put it back in. Perfect. Just has the clips. Start off by putting it in here. So you kind of have to push this part in and make sure this part is lined up with its clips first. And then kind of pull it around. And then it just clips in all the way. And just do that one screw up. Just push it home. To remove, you just get your finger underneath there, pull it out. This trim panel runs up here, and the one bolt goes into this. Kind of like a clamp and a clamp. And it's okay, fits into this. So it's one screw. Make sure it's clipped in under